Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a PhotoRoom account step by step. This process is the same on Android and iPhone, so let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. When the app opens, tap on the Continue, Get Started or Start Editing to begin. Next, PhotoRoom will ask a few quick onboarding questions. Just choose the option that best matches your needs and continue. Once you complete the question, PhotoRoom will take you to the main home page. You can just tap on the content icon given at the bottom right. Here you can create your account using Apple ID, Google, Facebook or with your email. You can select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instruction. If you choose the email, make sure to enter your valid email address. Then tap on Continue with Email. And a verification will be sent in your email address. You can just tap on Open Gmail. And as you can see, PhotoRoom has successfully sent you verification code. You can just tap on it and copy them and paste on the app. After signing in, your PhotoRoom account is successfully created and you will be taken directly to the app homepage. That's how you can create PhotoRoom account step by step, including the onboarding questions. So you are now ready to start editing photos and creating professional design. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.